The Poly Studio X30 ships with Studio X30 video bar, a power supply, LAN cable, HDMI cable, magnetic lens cap, and TV mount. An optional table stand or VESA mount can be ordered separately. The X30 ports include LAN, USB, HDMI in, USB-C, HDMI monitor out, Kensington lock, and power. To start setting up your X30, install the TV mount by attaching the mount to the bottom of the X30 using the included thumb screw. Test the mount by placing the X30 on a monitor. Further adjustment may be needed for proper placement. For basic setup, connect the LAN cable, HDMI out, and power. Upon boot up, go through the out-of-box setup. The system will be set up via the web interface. During setup, pair either a Poly TC8 touch control or an optional accessory, such as a remote control. For more information on pairing the TC8, watch our videos on pairing the TC8 with either Poly Video or Zoom Rooms.